Say no to drugs. Don't do drugs. Just say no.
God thank you.
Yeah.
God thank you.
Yeah.
God thank you. Thank you.
Listen. Yeah, gang. We're everywhere, y'all. Never there. Outside right now. I'm gonna take you guys outside. Yeah. Today's a beautiful day. Let's take this shit off. Yeah.
Watch how I flip it, then I whip it, then I get it. Oh, all my dogs ever running up a check. Oh, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Oh, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Oh, hop in the Benz.
Y'all see what time it is, right? Yeah. Cold as fuck, like 28 degrees. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys on the special crack block. This is where, you know, crack sells like water, man. Outside. In Corona, I'm outside. Yeah, so we're on the block. Yeah. The great crack block. Oh shit. Kids, don't do drugs. Bring you guys close up, bro. It's 28 degrees. Mommy's knocked the fuck out. I don't know what drug she's on, dog, but yo. I don't even know if that's crack or shit. I don't fucking know, but I know that's not weed for sure. That ain't fucking weed.
Oh, small.
Yeah, shorty's snoring. Shorty's fucked up. But yo, let me give you guys a story though. See that fucking bitch right there? Yeah, let me give you guys a story. So yo, that fucking bitch right there broke the windows to my car. I actually parked my car right there, by the fire hydrant. And shorty broke my shit. She went up to this shit and broke it. People, excuse my French, but this is what the big pussy girl do to my car. She threw a Heineken bottle and broke up my fucking glass. You see me? Yeah. So watch what I go on now. When me catch her, you know what time it is, though. Yeah, man, you know what time it is, man. But did have $3 to $4 right or so, and she spot it and she broke my shit and take it out. But watch what I go on, man. Yeah, because I had like $2 in there. She saw $2 and she was like, I need that shit to buy some crack or some hard drugs. So shorty broke my shit, took my shit, and look at her right now. I should get the baseball bat and just fuck her up, right? Or I should run up and just kick her like a football. Yeah, that's what I should do.
Oh!
She finally woke up. Mommy, you alright? You good?
Somebody. He needs some milk. Whoa!
Mommy. Mommy, you good? Huh? You need help? Damn, man, what the fuck happened? Put your back against the wall. Lean up against the wall. Lean up against the wall. Put your back against the wall. Shit, man. You're not cold?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
She's alright, people. She's good. Yeah, when you see people in need, you should help them. Give them a helping hand.
Papi, please leave me alone with that ignorant, crazy, dirty shit.
Oh, no. It's nothing like that, mommy. It's nothing like that.
You know, stupid, it ain't the point. I don't give a fuck what you say. Get that fucking camera out my face, you stupid.
Really, mommy? I just helped you.
I said bye. Now you can leave. I don't give a fuck if it was anybody else. I could have got their fucking house. Fucking house. Bitch, you can't tell me it's nothing like that. You can't intimidate me. You can't do shit to me.
I don't want to hurt you.
Not in a time and day.
Mommy, I don't want to hurt you. I want to help you. I'm not trying to hurt you.
Get the fuck away from me. You can't, motherfucker.
Oh, man. Next time I won't help you then.
Suck a dick. Suck a dick.
Wow. Wow.
You never help me. You want to just not help nobody. Bitch. I swear to God.
Let me say something to you.
Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Whoa.
Nah, that's... Listen. Mommy, calm down. Mommy, calm down. Mommy, calm down. Mommy. That bitch is crazy. Oh, for them. Oh, she's fucked up. I fucked up her high, that's why. She's off them drugs, nigga.
What, he on that mojo? You gotta be.
Yo, kids, please do not do drugs. That's what drugs do to your ass.
He needs some milk.
Your mama stay.
Listen. Listen up, I just want to talk to you.
God damn you, Dad.
Listen. Yo, this is crazy, yo. Every this fucking. Yeah, guys, so you see how life is funny, right? She was just bugging out off them drugs, and this is what drugs do to you guys. But let me show you guys something real quick, yo. She was just wilding out. Oh, look at this shit.
I bet that fucking mojo, they better leave that shit alone.
Hey, mommy knocked the fuck out right there. What do you guys think I should do? Smack her silly, right? Yeah, let's smack her silly. We never lack in the streets.
I bet that fucking mojo, they better leave that shit alone. Get him some milk.
Oh dear, y'all, never dear. Real niggas never lack. But yeah, guys, you see how life is funny. After I tried helping this lady out, she turned around and wanted to kill me. Like, yeah, I understand you don't want nobody to record you and shit, but yo, come on, man. You broke my windows open. You took my $2 and I had to spend what? Almost $100 to fix my shit. Life is funny, people. Life is funny. But yo, kids, don't do drugs. You hear me? Don't do drugs. I'm not start saying it. Don't do drugs. Yo, look at Big Dog walking up to me thinking that I'm selling crack on the block.
The streets is hard, man.
Yeah.
Things are tough.
Stand right. Yeah.
Things are tough, and no, you do not want to go to prison.
Yeah.
Because it is not good.
Yeah.
It is dangerous. Things can be better, and you must make things better for yourself.
Right.
And I'm sure you agree, because no one wants to go to prison. At all, unless you're crazy. At all, unless you're crazy. Please stay out of trouble, because the streets is there's nothing there for you.
Right.
But trouble and prison time.
Right.
And it hurts, it does, because it's not good for you. And you do not want to live like that. Can you understand that, brother?
Can you understand that, brother?
You must understand that this is 2022 now. We cannot live like that anymore.
Right.
And we must change our ways now.
Right.
And it's nice of you to talk to me, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm sure we should understand each other as grown-ups. I'm not that old, but you must not make the same mistake twice like others before you.
Right.
You cannot
No,
do
that's
that.
a fact. That's a fact.
It does not help you.
How old are you?
Me, I'm about 59.
You look good.
I was born in 63. I'm trying to stay healthy, but I'm getting old now, but
Right.
I'm not slowing down.
Right.
I'm not wise either, but I'm inexperienced. And thank you for asking. That's very kind of you, my brother, to ask.
Coronavirus.
This is important. I do not have gray hair. I have to earn it.
Oh, yeah. Do you smoke weed? What
Sometimes I
else do you
smoke weed every once in a while. I did. I used to do that too.
What else do you do or use?
I drink every once in a while.
Take the hard
Beer?
drugs? Take hard drugs?
No.
Stop fucking lying.
I would have died a while ago. A while ago I would have died.
Yeah.
I'm not that strong anymore, no.
Alright, man.
So thank you for asking, because it helped to ask.
Alright, man. Appreciate talking to you, big dog. Yeah, man. And yo, tell them, kids, say no to drugs. Don't do drugs.
Just say no. Please say no. Please say no.
Oh, for them, man. Let me say one thing real quick. Big dog, your friend down there, she's crazy as dog. Like,
I don't know if that's just not my friend, but she might be crazy still. But that doesn't help. That does not help because they'll take you away.
yo, earlier she wanted to kill me, yo. I wanted to have a conversation with her. She was like, yo,
She ain't being reasonable.
nah. She said, yo,
You can walk away from her.
bro. I helped her too. She was knocked out on the floor, and I gave her a helping hand, and she turned around trying to kill
Trying
me.
to kill you. No. She talks a lot of crazy shit. She does.
Yeah.
She's not my friend, but she talks a lot of crazy shit.
All right. But out here, y'all never there. Sniper rifle view, bust out her head from all different angles. Blue kumbam.
Oh, run it, oh, run it, oh, yeah. I'm running up a check. I got a bad bitch, she pull up in a topless. Ass fat, yeah, you know I gotta hit it, yes. Balling on these niggas, they don't wanna see me fucking go.